Hello to everybody, and today we're using a special sign which is chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah, chocolate eggs. So we're going to be baking chocolate Easter eggs. Yeah, so we're going to make different coloured eggs, aren't we? Yeah. So here we've got blue chocolate, and here brown chocolate, and at the end here, yeah, that's right, orange chocolate. And Alice has got some lovely instructions here to help her make the Easter egg. So what's the first instruction, Alice? What does it say first? Melt the orange chocolate. Now we've got some special bags that we can pop in the microwave to melt the chocolate. So what Alice is going to do is she's going to put the orange chocolate in the bag. Do you want to get the orange chocolate? Oh, that's it. Open it up. And she's going to spoon some of the orange chocolate into the bag that I'm going to hold. Our orange chocolate has melted in the bag. It looks like a carrot, doesn't it? So what we're going to do is Alice is just going to snip a little hole in the end, and then we're going to pipe it into our special Easter egg moulds. Going to make a pattern. Ooh, make swirls, circles, zigzags. That's beautiful. Okay, so look what Alice has done. She's made a pretty pattern in the mould out of the orange. So next, what's next? So we've done the first two. So next we're going to melt the blue chocolate. So we've got our special piping bag here, and where's the blue chocolate? Here, look at that lovely blue melting candies we have. So we got this a few weeks ago on the internet, didn't we, before Easter rush, before lockdown. 1, 2, 3 is our melted blue chocolate that we're going to use in our Easter eggs. So just like before, we're going to snip it, and Alice is going to make a pattern in this big mould, so it's going to be really pretty when we finish it at the end. Okay, so we'll just snip that away. Okay, Alice, do you want to make a pattern? Oh, that's beautiful. Did you just get it on your fingers and lick them? All the way around the mould. Let's show everybody. So we now have blue and orange chocolate. What we're going to do next is we're going to melt the brown chocolate. The last part of making our Easter eggs, we have some melted brown chocolate in a bowl, and Alice is going to paint it inside the special chocolate moulds that we've already put the orange chocolate and the blue chocolate into using the piping. So what we're going to do, Alice, I'll tip some in for you. Ooh, like this. And Alice is going to paint it in using the brush like this, look. So do you want to use the brush? I'll put more in for you to paint around. Make sure it gets into every part of the mould. So our egg is complete. So I think that's enough chocolate to make that one nice and thick. There you go, darling. You brush that around, and I'll put it in the rest in the second mould. And if I hold this up, Alice, you should be able to see the pattern on the other side. Can you see? Look at the pattern there, Alice. You can see the orange and the blue, and then the brown chocolate on the top. Thank you, Alice. That's perfect. So next we just need to put these into the fridge. Make sure they're really thick around the top. There's plenty of chocolate there. Yeah, turn it around so they can see the other. That's lovely how you filled that one. Turn it around so they can see the pattern on the other side. The blue and the orange. Okay, so we're going to put these in the fridge. So we have got our finished Easter egg. Yeah. So Alice, I'm going to ask you very carefully if you can open it. Because what we've done is we've taken the two halves and we've stuck them together with melted chocolate. So if we very carefully open it. Do you want to do that? Take that off. Very carefully. And then the other side, very carefully. Can you? Oh, there you go. Can you lift that off? And what have we got? Here is our finished egg. I think you'll agree that looks fantastic, doesn't it? We stand it up in this. There we go. So, so Alice made her first chocolate Easter egg. And tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and Alice looks forward to eating it with all her family. You say yummy. Yummy, yummy.